everybody. Welcome to Inspiration in a Nutshell. Thank you for joining today's session. So, I love to create videos on help giving people tools to help themselves and inspiring them to better their lives. So, today I'm going to talk about music therapy and how it helps some surgery patients and how potentially you could help yourself when you're having a difficult time to feel better. So, let me tell you a little story. So, imagine lying in a hospital bed about to go into heart surgery. Your mind is probably racing, your body is tense, you're scared about, what's about to happen next. And now imagine someone puts headphones on you. Yes, headphones, and music starts to play. And what people found was in a clinical study, 50 patients going through heart surgery was split into two groups. One group went through their standard experience. The other group had something really simple added. Before surgery, and again the day after, they listened to classical music. And what was the difference in these two patient groups? These are only 50 patients, so 25 in each group. The patients who listened to music had less anxiety before surgery, had less pain after surgery, and even better physical responses like lower heart rate, lower blood pressure, and better oxygen levels. Now, think about that. This is not a new drug, it's not a complicated intervention, it's just music. And here's what's powerful: the patients who had music weren't just more relaxed, their bodies responded differently. So, think about that for a second. In one of the most intense, high stress moments a person can go through, something as simple as music helped their body feel safer and more relaxed. This shows something really important. Your body doesn't just respond to medicine, it also responds to environment, emotion, and the state of your nervous system. And when you calm your mind, you also calm your body. So, and this isn't just about surgery. If music can impact someone going through something that intense, imagine what it can do in your everyday life. Maybe when you're anxious or overwhelmed or trying to reset. And it makes you wonder, how often are we moving through our lives in a constant state of stress without even ever giving our bodies a moment to come back down and relax? We push through, we stay in our heads, we try to handle it. But what if your body isn't asking you to push harder? What if it's asking you to just take a break and relax and soften for a little bit? So, this study isn't just about surgery, it's a reminder that your nervous system is always listening, and sometimes the smallest thing can shift everything. Sometimes the most powerful tools aren't complicated, they're simple, accessible, and already available to you. So, what I'd ask you to do is next time you feel stressed or overwhelmed, try this. Pause, put on some music that calms you, slows you down. In this study, they use classical music, but maybe there's other music that calms and slows you down. And notice what shifts, not just in your mind, but in your body. Let your body remember what it feels like to relax and be at ease. If you're interested in this little article, the study, I'll put the information in the description in the link. But remember, this is a small study, only about 50 patients. They'll need larger studies to see if this is actually something that can, be seen with large populations. But still, music is a simple thing. Most people love music. You can find music that inspires you and relaxes you and makes you feel good. And I hope that this inspires you and shows you that you have tools to make your life better. So thank you for joining Inspiration in a Nutshell, and have a wonderful day. And I hope you have some wonderful music to play today when you're stressed or upset to help you calm down and reset and make yourself feel good and also make your body feel better too. So have a wonderful day. And so the next time you feel overwhelmed, maybe you'll use music to help you pause and slow down, even for a minute, and let your body remember what it feels like to be at ease and relax. You have the total power. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.